Welcome to Food and Deals by Laura. Here I will teach you how to cook healthier Mexican food. Today we're making Caldo Tlalpeño. I fell in love with this soup the first time I tried it in Ciudad Juárez. If you like caldo de pollo, you will adore Caldo Tlalpeño. Peel 3 carrots and slice them. Then chop a cup of green beans into smaller pieces. Place the chicken in a pot with water, add a celery stalk, and ensure that the chicken is covered with water. I like to use the chicken without skin so we can have less fat in this recipe, but that's optional. We add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons chicken bouillon, 3 leaves of epazote, 1 garlic clove, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to a pan, 2 garlic cloves, 1 onion, and 3 tomatoes. Let them cook. Once they are roasted, we're gonna place them in a blender and we're gonna add 1 chipotle chile. If you like it more spicy, just add more chipotle. Add 1 cup of the chicken broth where we're cooking the chicken. Blend all together. Now add the rest of the vegetables, carrots, green beans, and the cooked chickpeas. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Now we're gonna add the salsa that we just made with the tomatoes, onion, and chipotle, and we're gonna let everything simmer for another 10 minutes. Let's shred the chicken to have it ready. I'm just gonna brush the tortillas with some cooking oil, cut them into small strips, and place them in the air fryer for 3 minutes so we can have them all crunchy. Serve your caldo tlalpeño with chicken on top, pieces of queso fresco, avocado, and I love to add to this the tortilla chips on top. You're gonna enjoy this like you have no idea. This caldo tlalpeño is super nutritious, packed with veggies, and the combination of chickpeas and chicken provides a more affordable source of protein. It's especially beneficial for those with iron deficiencies. I hope you enjoyed this at home, and for all ingredients and more, visit foodanddealsbylora.com. I'm always here to answer your messages. I see you every Wednesday with more healthy Mexican recipes.